The device has 2.5D 10.26-inch IPS touchscreen, which has 600 x 1600 screen resolution. 4K dash cam has 8 megapixels, 170 degrees wide angle. It can help you very clearly capture the front license plate number, road signs and all other details. Support driving habit selection. According to your demand, choose left driving mode or right driving mode. Advanced driver assistance systems detect your surroundings and help you avoid accidents by real-time voice alert. 1. With lane departure warning system. ADAS function. Trigger conditions. If you are using a GPS active antenna, the system will only trigger a lane departure warning if your driving speed is above 50 km per hour. If you are not using a GPS active antenna, there is no speed requirement, and the system will trigger a warning as long as a lane departure occurs. 2. With forward collision warning system. 3. With front vehicle starting reminder system. Please choose GPS antenna. Otherwise, you can't use this function normally. Support wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Note: not support Huawei mobile phone regarding wireless Android Auto connectivity. It supports phones with Android 10 and above. For phones with Android versions below 10, only wired connectivity is supported. AirPlay Miracast wireless mirroring. Miracast. Directly connect it. No need to download app. Not support Google mobile phone. Through AirPlay and Miracast functions, you can directly cast mobile phone videos, mobile phone pictures and mobile phone music to the driving recorder. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, it can be connected to a mobile phone. You can preview real-time images to view historical records and quickly download pictures. With the latest 5G Hz technology, the video transmission speed will be faster and smoother than the traditional 2.4 GHz GPS navigation. In CarPlay and Android Auto mode, the DVR can realize the GPS navigation function, and you can directly wake up the voice assistant and say your destination. It will help you plan your route, which is more convenient and safe for your drive. Note: the DVR itself does not have GPS navigation software. GPS tracking and app control. With precise GPS technology, track your vehicle's location and routes accurately for reliable navigation. Tracks the exact location of an accident if one should occur. View and download videos via Wi-Fi connection of our CarPlay from the RoadCam app, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. You can also share your wonderful journey video to your family or friends. Real-time reverse view support. 1080p full screen reverse image. And with guideline. When reversing, the system will automatically turn on the high-definition reversing camera at the rear of the car and clearly display the state of the rear of the car on the reverse IPS screen, so that you can accurately grasp the road conditions at the rear. The preview angle can be adjusted by sliding the left side of the screen to control the position of the guideline. With 24H parking monitoring allows you to connect dash cam to a vehicle battery source. Get constant power supply from the battery directly, so your car DVR will keep work even when ignition is off. Hardware kit required. Not included in the packaging. Purchase separately. Loop recording. The recording files will loop and overwrite the oldest videos when the TF South Dakota card is full to achieve continuous recording. You can set the video file length from 1 to 5 MB by settings. Max support 256 GB TF card.